Asari and Musa, the commander of Biafran Liberation Army, Okigwe State, Mazi Gentle. Mpa, I be rule ebe ndị a mere invade n'abalị. I be rule ebe ihe mere invade n'abalị. Ndị a bịara ohi ebe a n'abalị bukọcha ihe ndị mmadụ. Bukọcha ma ego nwoke mmadụ. Ọ na-akọwa na about 3 million naira ha eburu ya n'abalị. Ma machine ya, ma akwa ya, ma ihe ndị ha ebujuru ebe a. Ebe a ha bịara n'abalị mpa. Once mpa. Lekwa ihe ọ ka ụwa na-ahụ ya. Nwoke ma enwe ihe o mere ha. Ọ wee just a traditional man n'ọrụ onwe ya na-emere onwe ya ha ọdịnala. Ha bịa ebe a bukọcha ihe niile. Bukọcha ma akwa ya, ma generator ya, ma plant ya, ma machine ya, ma akwa ya, ma ego ya, ma ihe niile. Igwe ọgbata obi ya, ụwa lere ndị a na-eme n'obodo a. Ụwa sụcha ihe niile ndị nwoke ma nwe. Maybe search ebe niile. Gbacha properties ya, ọkụ burucha ma belongings ya, ma akwa ya, ma efe ya, ma ihe niile ka ha eburu. Bupụtacha ma properties ya eji. Mpa, lee ya, ọdọ ndị mmadụ ka ha gbakashi ya. Bata brokajuo properties ya. Everything nọ n'ugbula, ma TV, ma ihe niile, ma machine ya. Niile ihe brokajuo ya, kụwachacha ebe niile. Igwe ọgbata obi ya. Mpa, ọkụwa na-ahụrụ ya. Ọkụkọ si ihe ofu ebere awụ na enwe onye na-azọpụta ya. Beta ọkụ ụmụnwa nọ n'oli ya. Lekwecha dọ ndị mmadụ. Ha tọmbụlụrụ ebe a reke all these places. Buruju ego nwoke. Erekechara these places. Tọmbụlụ everything. Niile na ebe a ha kwakeshicha ya. Tọnụ ya upside down. The man na-akọwa na 3 million naira ya. Is 3 million naira is missing. And machine ya with some properties in Hebrew. And ha bịara looting, searching. Ibrukọju properties of Biafra.
Please, if you are visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, subscribe with us and turn on your notification button.
Then no carry us go back in tears, so.
Yes, sir.
Now freedom come fight, so.
Yes, sir.
Then no kill us, so.
Yes, sir.
We no come here to come thief or to come do anything, to come bless Nigeria. I mean, Nigeria just do okay.
Yes, sir.
But no man go die for you.
Yes, sir.
Nobody go die for you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, because inside 10 commandments, that shall not find money no day inside.
Hello, Biafrans. Welcome to Magnetic Jigs TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Today being 11th of August 2025, live and direct from Biafra land. The Magnetic Jigs TV is bringing this news to you. Okigwe is a no-go area today. That is ihe anyị na-akpọ ebe a na-anụ ezigbo ọgụ na Okigwe keta. That is a war zone. Okigwe is now war zone. My dear brother and sister, please, if you have your loved ones in Okigwe, always shake on them. Always advise them. First, share this video to them. Tell them to be security conscious. If the person can leave Okigwe at the moment and locate somewhere else just to save his or her life, I believe you can share this news to them. Tell them to do that just for the meantime until everything rests down in Okigwe. But at the moment, ihe a na-agba n'Okigwe keta bụ mgbali. Ihe a na-eme n'Okigwe keta that is here. I don't just really understand what is happening right there in Okigwe. I know that kind of thing that happened before in Osu and Olu. That is exactly what is trying to or going on in fact in Okigwe at the moment. Because kind of troops, Musa guys that entered Okigwe, they did plenty. They did plenty well with their armor tanks, with heavy weapons. They entered Okigwe. This time around is like something that we can call final battle. Orika Hanagazi Ogu Ipazu. Otago. You know, that time we used to watch all these action movies, you know, Atona Bows. When we are small, we will say that I thought it's not going to final battle to go and kill bows. So I don't really know if that's exactly what is going on right now in Okigwe. because Udeka Musa boys na Asari boys batara Okigwe na nke ikpeazụ agbagote guy ha agbagote mgbe n'ezie anya ka ọ n'ofu ihe ndị Musa guys na Asari guys na-emezi na Okigwe, ransacking people's home, breaking into people's home na nke a tụtụwara anya. I gotta me, this one no make sense at all, because we have always been saying this: if you are giving on assignments, always apply the rule of engagement. Try and locate the people that you have come to fight with. Kakuije chọta be ndị Biafran Liberation Army nọ n'ime ọfịa kuna ha nọ ya bụ ọgụ, but entering into people's home, ransacking people's home, cutting away people's properties, that one don't make sense at all though. That one no follow at all.
Good day, my good people of Biafrans, and respect to my triple general, the person of General Igwe Putozo, Mpamonsa, and my regard and my greetings to Major General Gento de Yahoo, who always give me the opportunity, the privilege to enlighten Biafrans about the ongoing genocide war in Okigwe currently now. So, as I told you that as I was doing some official work in Zambo, and I'm still here to report to you what is going on in Okigwe State. Number one is that nkọwụna mkpụrụ for ndị na-asị na m na-asụ Igbo. Ana m amịchakwa ihe ninu nnekwu. Yes, Igbo, Biafra language dị mma, but asụrụ nka. So ihe m na-akọwa that na nkọwụna m na-ekwu, anyone where I talk, go investigate it. Currently now, as the information I am receiving over the genocide happening in Okigwe now is that the Nigerian terrorist killers are burning Okigwe youths right inside their army camp. So if you have anyone in Okigwe, try to carry out this investigation over the burning of human youths of Okigwe. They are adopting youths in their checkpoints. Any community, any street they enter, anyone they see, they will carry. They will shoot aside and carry the ones they want to carry and go. This is what is currently going on. And another report I am receiving from Omanumoke is that the Nigerian securities under the watch of Hope Sodema and Christopher Musa, because they are the one, the DSS, Ebe Kodike, Ikenga Uruago Handema. They are not the invaded Omanumoke and breaking people's house and packing their properties, packing their animals, their fowls. Now, the information I am receiving from Aaron Dizog is that they invaded the homeland, the home of a popular man known in Aaron Dizog as Udelebol and Izog of Ndobonyama. They invaded the community and ransacked the communities and ransacked this man. I will show you the video. The atrocities of these terrorists in the army uniform. I want to use this opportunity to enlighten the international community, the Honorable Donald Trump, please, to look into the life and the conditions of Biafrans, especially in Okigwe State, in Owerri State, in Olu State, in Osu, the Mother Valley, in Biafra land, Baburuburu. Please, Netanyahu, all the lovers of freedom, it is time that the blood of Biafrans that these animals are pouring on daily basis, let their blood cry, and let the international lovers of freedom intervene in the matters of Biafrans. Just to releasing of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will solve all these matters, all these insecurities, all these killings. The release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will settle all these insecurities. The prolonging of holding Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in hostage will increase the killings of Biafrans. Please, I want all Biafrans to understand that the men on ground, the Biafra Liberation Army, the Biafra Defense Forces, the Biafra Resistance Fighters, the Biafra Armed Forces, under the control of General Botozo, is doing their work in order to defend the land. Please, Biafrans should rise up now so that we can chase away all these Fulanis in military uniform. There's no Nigerian military. There's no Nigerian soldier. What we are battling here is Boko Haram, direct terrorists that has been terrorizing the international community. They are the one that we are fighting now. So it is time for we to look into on how to liberate Biafrans. I'll be coming up for the oncoming update from Okigwe as it the hot right now.
But imana anwakwara ihe dịkwa n'ime this thing anyị ekwukwa. Sometimes most of these our brothers, these our soldiers that are into this Biafra struggle that is defending our land, most times ebe ha na-anọkarịba wee na-evido onwefa wee na-ese picture na abụkarịba n'ụlọ. Are you getting me? So ọ bụ na ndị Musa fụzie the video on internet, nah, Hana says no muno kahabi. But the actual fact is that these guys are not living inside a house. They are in the bush. They are in the bush. So probably they will be not using that thing to go and destroy people's home. But come to think of it, they already think that this is the reason. Because even before most of our soldier guys go see any particular building, this thing Meketana has always happened. Are you getting me? It has always happened because not all these Musa guys that are sincere. Some of them are already criminals that were convicted. Just because the only difference is that now they are being given that Musa uniform. And once you send them down to Biafra land, they will still go out there to commit that thing where they're inside them, irrespective of they are trying to portray themselves that they are working for the government, but they'll still do that thing. Because I don't know why you are going to entering into or breaking into people's homes, stealing their properties, cutting away money, food items. Doesn't make sense at all.
Nah, honey, honey. Ọkụkọ ihe ofu ebere awụ na enwenye na-azọpụta ya beta ọkụ ụmụnwa n'oli alekwecha dọ ndị mmadụ ha tọmbụlụrụ ebe a reke all these places buruju ego nwoke erekechara these places tọmbụlụ everything niile n'ebe a ha kwakeshicha ya tọnụ ya upside down. The man na-akọwa na 3 million naira ya is 3 million naira is missing, and machine ya with some properties in Hebrew. Ha bịara looting, searching, iburukwaju ihe properties ụmụ Biafra.
Okigwe local government. Okigwe must be free from this bandage, from this calamity, from this evil that have come to stay in Okigwe. We are now telling you the evil to pack and leave Okigwe. Now let Okigwe be peaceful again. Let people go to their normal business without fearing of death, or without fearing, will I go today, will I come back? I can't in or no, like I just here again. Also, the key, are you a politician that finance and sponsor this thing named Okigwe? If we caught you, there will be no second chance. Napa, Niti Keresa, no Barana Okigwe no be, and I let to get the Okigwe. But what your man are back again, no one negating on the Keresa, no job. If we get you, we bring you down. And like that, Okigwe local government chairman to give warning to any politician who don't care where you belong. If you belong, you don't have any interest with if you belong. But as far as I get ready to face it. We are indigenous. We can dig as much as we want to get what we want. Before I make this broadcast, we are ready. All this time in we are preparing our ground and our stand, and we are in 100% voltage and current coming out to discharge as indigenous. We have only one local government for now, which is Okigwe and Okahada. I didn't want any local government again. And people being Okigwe now, they are free from this menace and havoc around us. If you know where maybe how they put out get ready, bring it on, let us play this reggae and see who wins and who loses. We don't want this nonsense again. Oh my, you name it, Okigwe should be peaceful. When was an invader to attack us? We should unite together and fight this battle, but not in this way. Fighting and killing the indigenous, the youth, our mother, our wives, our women and children, our pregnant women losing their life, living on intention every blessed day in Okigwe. It is no more welcome in the Okigwe soil. I need to now, we have never done or harm or fight anybody now. It will begin when we see you as an enemy. Look at Ama Magike, look at Rogers Park, look at the column in Okigwe, look at the talks in Okigwe, look at a lot of things that happens in Okigwe. We don't want it anymore. Okigwe needs to be peaceful. They mother need to get their business now to you. And we are sounding it as a warning. Enough is enough.
Brothers and sisters, it is indeed a very sad thing that Okigwe today is boiling. So many people in Okigwe has been arrested. So many innocent youths have been arrested, died. Biafrans, let us keep hands together and make sure that peace return in Okigwe. Let us put our hands together and make sure that peace return generally in Igbo land, in Biafra land, in fact. For the service of Magnetic Chicks TV, we are praying and believing God that at the end of all these things, peace must surely return back to Biafra land. We all love you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe with us. Magnetic Chicks TV, we are the best. Share this video, and let us interact in our comment section. Bye.